Hello Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia and this is of course TransurfingTV, and we are on one of our 78 days of practical transurfing. Today, day 26, the wave of success, y'all. This is what we are rewarded with as transurfers when we follow these concepts and keep our thought frequency tuned to the positive, keep our action in the direction of what we strive to achieve, and we keep our layer of realities cleaned up, we get the reward of the wave of success. I've been on this one for a little while now. It is awesome and they just keep getting better and better. So please keep this your intention for today and the days to come. First, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. We greatly appreciate your energetic contribution here at TransurfingTV. And also don't forget to like this video and comment below, I love Reality Transurfing, to be included in my contest to win some of my Transurfing reprogramming stickers. These are incredible and I could not live without them. I will ship them directly to 3 lucky winners and I'll ship internationally so everyone can join. Please see the details below. So with that, I will get to the lesson, day 26. The wave of success. Perhaps sometimes you feel inspired and on top of the world, but then the daily grind brings you back down again. How do you hang on to that feeling that life is a song full of happiness and a celebration? First and foremost, you have to remember how that feels. Keep the sparkle of that feeling of celebration alive and cherish it. Notice your life changing for the better. Grasp at any straw of joy. Look for auspicious signs in everything. Never forget, not even for a moment, that you are following a course in transurfing, consciously going after your dreams. And that means shaping your destiny. This alone is enough to give you peace of mind, confidence, and joy, which means that you are being the magical song of happiness in your life. When feeling wonderful becomes a habit, you will find yourself permanently on the crest of the wave of success. Interpretation. Be happy and grateful for everything you have in this moment right now. This is no empty call to be happy by default. Sometimes when circumstances stack up against you, it is very difficult to be content. But from a purely practical point of view, there is simply no benefit in expressing dissatisfaction. Don't take bad news to heart. If you don't let it into your heart, you'll keep it out of your life. Close the door of bad news and open it to the good news, y'all. It is really important to take note of the smallest sign of positive change and nurture it carefully. When your relationship with yourself and the world around you is good, a field of harmonious vibration surrounds you, and everything inside it goes well. A positive attitude always leads to creativity and success. Oh my God, this is what we want as transurfers, right? We want to be creative. We want to have success in our lives. We want to be happy in the moment. We want to fully embrace the idea that no matter what is going on circumstantially, that we can be happy and create and find the wave of success. This is where I've been living, off and on for the last 5 years, but in the last 2 years, I've been in this mode intensely, and I'm just here to tell everyone that if you continue on with these concepts, This will absolutely happen for you too. I catch the wave of fortune all of the time. Things are always looking in my favor. It doesn't matter what goes on externally. I have bad shit happening to me, right? Like my sister got diagnosed with cancer a few months ago. I have elderly grandparents that aren't doing well. I've been inside just like everyone else. Things have been tumultuous at times in my external environment, but you know what? I don't let that news affect my mind negatively. I care without worrying, and I keep my thought frequency tuned to the positive. And when I keep it tuned to the positive, the wave of success comes and it takes me away and it brings me little gifts and some big gifts too. But it's my duty as a transurfer to stay tuned, practice these concepts, and follow these 78 days of transurfing. I've been on the wave of success since I found this stuff. So if you have not watched the previous days, go back and take a look. They're awesome and they will tune your frequency as well. So don't forget, please like this video, everyone, and comment below. I love transurfing, and good luck. I'm going to choose a few winners of the contest this week and get these reprogramming stickers shipped out. Thanks so much for watching my video, everyone. Bye.